Alrighty, so we just want to finish off the adding back in the weird face animation, so this will be nice and quick. We'll grab a copy of the character movement. So again, in this scenario, we're just going to disable the movement while the animation's active. So drag in the started pin, and then for the body, and we have to do this from the body. It will actually work from the face, but you'll notice it'll be out of place. So in this case, from the body, we'll play the face animation sequence, connect those pins, and we'll also set this to looping. So as long as we're holding down the weird face key, we'll keep weird facing. Compile, save, and we'll just test that. So hold down 3. He goes to his weird face, which is good, and he keeps doing it. And then when we complete, we want to re-enable the character movement. Again, set that back to walking, connect that to the completer pin, and then we can reset the animation. So we'll just revert that to use the animation blueprint and connect those pins, compile, save, and let's have a look at that. So hold down 3, he does his weird face, let go of 3, and he goes back to idle. So as I said, nice and easy for that one. In the next one, slightly more involved, we'll get his kick to actually do something. We could just bring in another MetaHuman and then place him on the level, and then if we kick him, we just want to sort of kick him out of the stage, basically into space, so we'll exaggerate it a little bit. Yeah, cool, so that'll do it for this one, and we'll see you in the next one.